Track Boss. I'm Ashley, but you guys know that. So, welcome to another day. I decided to bring a friend of mine over. She is another artist. Her name is Margeaux, and she wanted to try out this style of painting. Say hi, Margeaux.
Hi, everybody. I'm super excited.
Super excited.
Yes.
So, I'm excited. We already pre-mixed our paints. Now, we used Color Shift paints, the blue flash, aqua flash, pink flash, I'm assuming, purple flash, and then the gold was Artist Loft's gold. And then the colors that she's using are apple barrel yellow, apple barrel orange, what was the red one? Where's it at? Oh, I put it over here. Artist Loft, this one is a deep red.
Yep.
And what was the brown one? Apple barrel?
Yeah.
Burnt umber. Okay. Oh yeah, and yellow ochre too. She got her dog over too. Or has her dog.
Yeah.
Sorry, proper speaking there. She has her dog over too.
I have my dog.
You had your dog. Playing with my dog, Ella, which you guys have only seen in like one video, I think.
We should bring them
She's
in
kind
there.
of hidden.
They're adorable.
No, they have to stay out. My dog ate paint.
Yeah, my dog probably
didn't
won't
know.
do that, but
But
our
Ella
dog
will.
started it, you know,
Yeah.
so like he might
She
think it's
did.
good now. I don't know.
And I have an entire sheet of paint over there drying for my skin, so probably not the best idea. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take and do the tree ring pour with all these beautiful colors that we've chosen, and we did add the treadmill lubricant inside of it. So I already taught her how to do the mixing. If you guys are interested in that, go check out the one that I have with Jenna, which is labeled #1, how to do fluid painting, because it has everything, including what I put inside it, the measurements, all that boring stuff. But with Margeaux, we just, wanted to have the fun stuff in hand. So we're gonna get started with the tree ring pour. Really, all you wanna do is you have to keep in mind that the first thing that you will see come out is whatever's on top. So you want to layer, the inside will end up being your middle, or your bottom.
Oh, so we're pouring them in the cup first?
Yeah.
Whoa.
So
I don't know what I'm doing before. This is new for me. Okay.
So the ones that you put on the inside, the bottom, are going to be your middle of your tree. Okay?
Okay.
So you want to make sure that you keep that in mind as you're layering, because the closer to the top you get, that's what gets pushed out. So what I'm going to do is, the way that I envision mine is I would like to have my greens in the outside edge and my pink and purple on the inside. We should put the dogs out. They're just going to wrestle. Let's go put them outside.
Okay, I know what I'm doing.
You know how you want to do it? You know what you're doing? Okay, you just do it then.
I'm like way ahead of you, actually.
Okay, so I'm going to start with gold. Let's start with purple, because I want purple to be my all-time middle color.
I'm doing yellow.
And the way that I'm going to try to layer them too is by covering the entire bottom. So you want to, I personally pour in a circle or something just to cover it, like that. So you want to cover it in a full thin layer.
Interesting. Okay.
And then go to your next colors. So I'm not going to add as much gold in this one as I do my other ones normally. There we go.
Yeah, we're gonna see how this looks. Because
I'll focus now.
Yeah.
Get some of that blue in there because
feeling pretty confident though.
Good, you should.
But too easy.
I prepared you to be a master, okay?
Yeah.
Young Padawan.
So if this doesn't work.
Wait, do you know what that reference is from?
No, but like Chuck Norris, I'm all about it.
So one of my favorite things about Margeaux is she's homeschooled.
I was.
And that was so cool to me, because I felt like she wasn't forced to have to go through all the things that we had to go through, what the heck is cat dog? And
whatever that is.
That's a cartoon. She didn't know what Chuck Norris was, which that one was a little epic. I mean, come on, you have to know Chuck Norris. Yeah, 2 days ago, she came over and we just kept doing a bunch of Chuck Norris jokes because who doesn't know Chuck Norris? They're awesome.
So good.
The memes were so great. Yeah. I think my favorite, oh gosh, I couldn't pick a favorite actually.
No, I can.
You can? Yeah, my favorite one was when he's walking and it showed him as a little kid running his hand along a fence and the fence was broken behind him.
Oh yeah. So his fingers just running through this metal corrugated fencing and just tearing through it like it's nothing. He's the bomb. He's the bomb diggity.
So, but she also did not know what Star Wars reference was. Young Padawan.
Oh, that was from Star Wars?
That was totally from Star Wars.
I almost watched that first movie.
You almost watched it? You
Almost.
still haven't watched them?
No, because like, I don't
Kind
know.
of shocked.
I love Harry Potter.
Yeah, I love Harry Potter too.
And yeah.
But at the same time, I feel like I kind of have to keep up with what's epic so I know what people are talking about. Star Wars, Star Trek, you know,
Yeah.
the go-tos.
I got you.
Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings,
I'm
The
just
Hobbit.
so far behind, I don't think I'll catch up, so I'm just like, I gave up.
You probably won't.
Yeah. I'll be like 90, I'm like, Margeaux, did you know?
Did you watch it yet?
I don't know, was I watching?
Did you ever see this? No, Ashley, stop asking me.
I'm gonna die soon anyway.
Okay, so you should be pretty good. Add some more color. Go to like this far up from the top. Last time I did the tree ring pour, I actually went too far, which was all the way to the top, and then it was kind of like a total hot mess. But you guys can see my little rainbow of colors in here. They're lovely, nicely layered.
Oh, do you have black?
Yeah, that's that one. Don't take the whole white cap off.
Okay, okay. Apparently there's a special way we have to open things around here.
Just
We can't
twist it.
just rip the caps off.
Can't just rip the cap off.
I did not know, you know?
Ooh, that's gonna look cool.
I know, that's the goal.
I love having these little twist cap cups. They're so nice.
Question, so when I'm filling them up, do I have to cover the total color
No.
behind it or just kind of put a
No,
little bit?
ideally, like, I did on the one that I wanted to make sure, like, kind of test it, but it doesn't make a huge difference. So just kind of, just
Cool.
fill it. All
Is that full enough? Ooh.
Yeah, totally.
Do I have to do all the other ones? Like,
All the other what?
for these two?
No, I would do one at a time.
Okay,
You'll
cool.
probably end up knocking it over.
Yeah.
I would, and that would be really crappy on my part. I would feel like a horrible human being.
I'd probably just cry. I'm gonna go
Probably
home.
cry.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, so I want to record this so that way you guys can see closer the pour itself. And I'm going to pour. So when you're pouring, you want to just allow it to drip out, and then you're just going to go in small circles as it's dripping. The whole time you're just circle, circle, circle.
Wait, should I start?
circle.
Because I'm feeling nervous now.
In the middle.
Alright, in the middle.
Start in the middle.
And circle it?
Yeah, circle,
In the-
circle.
in the-
And the silicone's not going to make it look perfect like the tree ring anyways, so just keep going.
Okay. Alright, cool.
The more circles you could do though, the better.
Alright.
Circle, circle, circle. Damn cats.
Oh, look how cool mine's looking.
I can't look. I'm
Ashley, are
already
you
doing
okay?
so many things.
Just look over real quick. Like glance.
Ooh, I love Margeaux. Okay, hold on. Let me like finish this so that way I can record yours. Dang you.
Oh, the yellow's coming out. Look at the yellow, Ashley. Look.
Okay, I'm gonna stop pouring mine.
You have to look at mine. Oh, wait, it's
Look
coming
at that. Look at that. Those are great colors.
Ashley, look.
Well, tilt it, crazy.
Oh, just tilt it.
Yeah.
Alright, this is why you're here. I forgot for a second, but
What I should do when paint is falling off my canvas.
Yeah, it's just you kind of freeze, you know? Because you're like, oh, it's so good. Oh my god, wait.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard to like pour in circles while looking through a video camera. Side note.
Don't do this at home, people.
Just so you know.
Alright, cool.
This was really hard to do while also looking at yours.
Okay, so now it's dripping. Is that cool?
This is really pretty. Look at that.
Yay! It looks like the middle of
Okay,
the
push
year.
it like this way though, so it's not going onto my table.
There you go.
Look how fantastic Margeaux is. Okay, now mine, I'm just going to take
Can
my blowtorch.
Should I put more on?
I would not.
And
No.
just leave it?
Leave
Okay.
it. Okay. Blowtorch done.
Do you want me to hold this for you?
Yes.
Teamwork makes
There we
the
go.
dream work.
Now I can actually tilt it.
Ooh.
And tilt it in circles.
Ah.
Ooh, ah.
Oh
my gosh.
It's about to fall.
And keep that gold on there.
Yeah.
Let's like knock all the rest of this off though. There we go.
Oh, it's looking good.
The more I stretch it out, the more I like it. If you don't want it too linear, make sure you guys are rotating this in circles. This is gonna look cool with the resin on top and
Yeah, yours is a lot of the little like
the cells.
yeah, the things in your body.
The
Yeah, I called them veins before when I was trying to talk to you about that.
I know.
I didn't want to say anything. 'Cause,
They're
like,
definitely not veins, you know,
I
they're
have to look
circles.
like I know what I'm doing. Just a tiny bit.
Just a little.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh.
I like it. That's gonna turn out cool.
Yeah, I'm liking it.
I'm kind of bummed that the green didn't like show up more though. Really sucks. Okay.
Well, that's because it's like a teal, so you can kind of see it. But
So
it's
now
really
we're back on
close.
this one.
Oh. Hi, other camera.
Hi, other camera. Okay, so you take the blowtorch.
Okay.
When you do it, you want to be very quick about it.
All right.
Okay, that way, and it just helps to release those paint bubbles.
Okay.
So go for it. Just don't blowtorch me, please.
Yeah. Okay. How do I turn on
You
again?
push it.
Just
Push.
here.
Yeah, push and hold.
Really quick though.
Yes. There you go. Yeah. This was a good color choice. I like it.
Fire.
I really like it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How much should I do of this?
That's good.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Just
I am
double checking.
sure. Okay, so you just leave it once, which I'll take yours off for you since I don't know if you'll be gone or not. But
Yay.
once it's really dry, that's when you take the tape off. You don't want to take the tape off when it is fully dry. I like to do it when you can still tell that the paint is wet, but it's no longer moving. Because at that point, I feel like you get a cleaner edge when you're peeling it off versus like that paint sticking to the tape and then trying to peel that off and you end up peeling the paint off like it's a whole hot mess. But these look really cool.
How many days do you think it'll take to dry to that point?
Oh, the wood helps to
Okay.
absorb that bottom layer because
Okay,
we didn't
cool.
gesso it or anything. So this will probably take 24 hours.
Nice.
If that, yeah. I have found personally that when I do it with wood, it takes less dry time. So it might even be done in like 18 hours or so. But that's just because the wood is absorbent. If you guys are priming your wood and stuff like that though, you're probably still gonna have that long wait time and you can have possible crazing, which is cracking. So this is why I like to, paint on wood so much.
This is
Mostly
so
because
fun
of
and
this.
easy to do. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Like it even looks like it's like part of the wood, kind of.
It does, I know. That's why I like the tree ring pour.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna pour on one of these too now because I don't like this one
So
that
should
much.
I slide this back then
You
to
took
do
over
these
too much.
little guys?
Yes.